Oh my God. Yeah, North Dakota snow, 28 degrees, awesome. You're good, cuz. Go do what you gotta do.
So, we're setting up. We have little hope for today. 2 guys were sitting here with their blinds wide open, looking backwards, and 8 mallards gave it up perfectly. So there's a little more hope for the day. Theoretically, we kill a 4-man limit and leave this state. Coming. Kill him. Record Ross missing a lot. No.
Wow, you guys suck.
Up front. Kill him. God, you're kidding me. No, here.
Got 2,
Back.
baby.
Oh, they all went down. 3 or 4 of them anyway.
Tyler, I think we could call it a little further out.
I agree, but I want them to center up.
No, I get you.
Yeah, don't worry about
Mikey,
that.
take the pot shot that.
That one? I got one down over here.
Here.
Did you get any of that, Ross?
Yes. Finally. I can't. My phone doesn't work. It's covered in water.
Yeah.
Good day. Hell, I've seen a lot of dogs.
Is this a layout you wanted, Mikey? I said, is this a layout hunt you wanted? Yeah, buddy.
Oh, that first day was the layout hunt he wanted.
Yeah, yesterday was cool. Where's this other one over here?
Where the 2 tracks are going up the hill.
Back.
You got a little broom?
In my blind.
Okay.
Back.
Hard work hunting in the snow. As I sit here and record.
I'm assuming.
Well, it's too bad because I left my bag back at the phone.
waterfowl bag has phone tape.
Yeah, it's at the truck.
Oh, damn.
I haven't gotten into it all week. I thought, I need to bring this. This is, if you can hear me, an absolute shit show. We got ducks everywhere. We got geese everywhere. We got Tyler with oh, I can't say that. We got Tyler with an aneurysm or something.
It's good. You're supposed to spit blood out your mouth.
Well, the worst
Dude,
part is,
look at me. I need that for a thumbnail. Brother, it looks amazing. What say you, boys?
well, I guess I shouldn't have left my bag in my truck. First time ever Tim Bronson hadn't been prepared.
Oh, I have it.
Lost Mojo wing again.
Can you go whittle him off? There's place in his wing.
Yep.
Tyler's gonna drown. Yeah, blood.
Two up front.
3 up front.
Three.
Can't see 'em. They're coming out on the right. If you get a shot at them, Tyler, take them.
Get around behind it. Yeah, group over top of us. Stay.
Here's cousin Ross giving to Mojo because he's froze
Oh, there she goes.
and he's a little jump start.
All the way, like right chair?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, great video so far of snow and Mojo. Can't seem to pick up the ducks today because it's snowy, miserable, and we're shooting of them. God, North Dakota mallards and a North Dakota bloody nose.
Straight need a 10.
Wish I had a tampon to give you, bud.
You got a pad in your truck, bud.
I'm sure. I know I got a pad in my truck.
I got a whole first aid kit in your truck.
I got one too.
I got a first aid kit in my bag, which is also in my truck.
Hey, Tyler, you ever gonna make fun of your dad and all again?
I got all that bag.
Where's your bag?
Behind my bag. Behind my bag. My layout. Toilet paper. Hold that. Hold it. There were some big birds. Big old Saskatoon goose. That's big.
Nice job, bud.
Let the clutch move, swing it out, and get the mojo turned on.
Yeah, I like that you can hear them. I couldn't see them.
Yeah,
And then they
no.
broke the snow. Had an absolutely incredible hunt today. Didn't get a 4-man like we were hoping, but we certainly could if we stuck it out, but we ain't feeling it. The wind's ripping, it's freezing. The dogs just whooped. But just to sum it up, how it went, this was about 30 minutes ago. Already got to unbury all the ducks. Definitely some migrators, beautiful, beautiful birds. all of them very mature breaks. A couple hens that lost decided to shoot.
Yeah. Maybe the first time in history I didn't bang up some hens.
Yeah, that's a drape. It identifies as a drape. That is too.
Oh, you son of a... You really did put the hens behind mine. You...
I just assume you're the one that shoots them all.
Yeah, you know you did, you... What?
I didn't. I pick out green only.
So did I. The old heated layouts came in again. How about it? Just toasty warm. Loving life out here. Here come the trucks. Gloves in the freaking frame. Why not? My hand's frozen. Got the worst put it in my life. It was really solid. Couldn't record anything. But here we is.
So finally, after we're a good 8 days in and have not had a good field hunt, and that's what we come out here for, is for the dry field mallards. And we finally had an incredible one today. There was no limit. We pretty much gave up. They were coming all day long. The geese were coming good. The ducks were coming perfectly. But it's nasty out, and everybody kind of wanted to go home and warm up. I don't even know what we ended with. Probably 14, somewhere in there. It seems like a good number.
I think it was 16. 16 ducks and 4 geese.
Had amazing flocks of pintails come in, all nice plumed out mallards. It was an incredible hunt. By far one of my best hunts yet, as far as birds and how they work go.
What do you say, cuz? It's probably like 5 degrees, 8 degrees of wind chill factor. It's our last day in North Dakota. We had a great hunt yesterday. We slept in this morning, decided that we'd just kind of get up and do some scouting, see if any birds are still here. Every single pothole is locked up. A couple of sloughs are open. For the most part, they're locked up. It all happened in 24 hours or just less than 24 hours. So it seems as though all the local birds hightailed it out of here. And we're getting a lot of fresh birds in yesterday. We were getting migrators yesterday, so we know they're moving through. We're seeing snows and dark geese moving through, a few nice flocks of ducks coming through. We drove around, didn't really see anything until 9:30 or maybe 10 o'clock. Today we're only allowed to shoot geese until 2 o'clock. So we just got set up. I think it's like maybe 11:30, quarter to noon. So we only have a couple hours to see if we can make something happen. But that's it. That's what we're doing. Tyler's out parking the truck right now. Yeah, hopefully it's a good hunt. Hopefully it's worth it. Well, Tyler just sending it. Well, I can't say this was our best decision ever, but yeah, we came out here, we did it. It was our last day. About the time we got set up is about the time the winter storm picked back up. So we decided to kind of duck out a little bit early. I mean, the drifts are already blowing back in. It's blowing and snowing again. So yeah, we're out of here. This is it for us for North Dakota. Head out in the morning and get back at it on some Michigan ducks.
Some. Emphasis on some Michigan ducks.
Yeah, we're gonna see 4 and shoot toward them. Got her out of there. We're all packed up and loaded. We're headed back east from our 2023 North Dakota waterfowl hunting trip, and it was a good one. It maybe wasn't quite as good as last year. What do you think? You think we had maybe a little too easy last year?
Way too easy last year. We had hunts every day. This year we worked for every single bird we got. Still had some good hunts. Had an incredible mallard shoot. One of my top 3 hunts for sure. We didn't limit out, but
it was incredible. I mean, a cold front just moved through. It was the leading edge of a ridiculous winter storm. I mean, it was like stories you hear about, you know, like the Armistice Day or something like that. I mean, it was pretty fun. It was a wild hunt. I mean, realistically,
it was. The birds didn't care. They did it perfectly. I've never had birds finish so perfect. Hopefully, there's some good video, but the conditions were horrible for filming.
It was so hard to get footage. I mean, everything was wet. My phone was wet. Neither of us invested in a GoPro, which we probably need to do. I couldn't get any drone footage or anything, but, you know, hopefully I got a video out of it. If not, take our word that it was an incredible hunt. Got to spend some good time with family and friends. Tyler and I got to spend a ridiculous amount of time in the truck together. After we got out here, we got to camp. We probably put on 1,700 miles scouting. You know, like I said, it went from 70-degree weather to -6 with wind chill factor in 24 hours.
With a foot and a half of snow.
With a foot and a half of snow. So I mean, we were lucky to get the birds that we did get, and you know, like Tyler said, we got one unbelievable hunt. We got a couple of other great hunts, and all in all, it was a spectacular trip. But anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video or the series of videos from this trip, and yeah, look forward to making some more.
I'm done shooting mallards too. It's time to shoot some old squaws.